Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Hello Helper. And friends, today I'm going to share with you how you can highlight text in PDF file. So friend, here I'm going to share with you two methods to highlight a text in PDF. So friend, first thing first, we are going to open PDF file. So friend, this is my directory and here I'm going to open. So friend, you can see that this is my PDF file which is open in Google Chrome. Okay. So here we are going to highlight a paragraph or text. Okay. So what we will do? First you select the text which you want to highlight. So here I'm going to select complete paragraph. Okay. And then click on this draw button. Okay. When you click on it, then you will see here the color options are available. Okay. And here you will see three options. One is the pen icon, second is the highlighter, and third is the eraser. Okay. So we want to, for example, do the lining. Okay. By this way you can easily draw the line. Also you can change the color like this. Okay. So you can change the color like this. If you want to remove this line, then what you will do? Simply click on this erase button and then you simply click on it and your line will remove. Okay. So here we are going to highlight the text and paragraph. Okay. So this is the highlighter. You simply select the text which you want to highlight like this. You want to change color also. So by this way you can change the color as you want. Okay. So by this way you can easily highlight the text in your Google Chrome browser. Okay. Now select on this three dot icon and here you can check the document properties, but we want to download this file. Okay. You simply download. You can simply save as the file. You simply press Ctrl S and you can save this file. Okay. So this is highlight one and save it. Okay. Let's see the highlight and you can see these highlights is done over here. Okay. By this way you can highlight a PDF. Now friend, I'm going to share with you a second method to highlight a text. You simply select that PDF file, right click on it and you open with that Microsoft Edge browser. Okay. So friend, here you can see that this is my PDF file which is open in Microsoft Edge browser. Which text you want to highlight, you simply select that text and here you will automatically see these things. You simply hover the mouse on highlight and these are the different colors. By this way you can simply select the red color and that color will change. Okay. You select the text, then automatically hover this menu, then select the color. Okay. By this way you can easily change the highlight color also. You select that text, highlight color, and you can select the green. Okay. And friend, if you want to remove this highlight, then what you will do? Simply click on this erase button and then simply click and that highlight will remove. Okay. So this highlight I want to save, then what I will do? Simply click on this save button and your highlight will automatically saved in your PDF file. Okay. Let's see the PDF file once again and check it out. So friend, you can see that this text is highlighted over here. Okay. Also, if you want to edit that highlight into your browser, what you will do, simply open again that PDF file, click on this erase button and by this way you can easily remove that highlight. Okay. So friend, this is a tutorial which I want to share with you guys how you can highlight text and paragraph in PDF. And here I am sharing with you very advanced method by browser like Google Chrome browser and Microsoft browser. You can do the highlight in PDF file. So friend, this is a tutorial which I want to share with you guys. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then click on like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things. And if maybe you have any query or question, you can comment me below, so I will give you the answer. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.